Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Polygon technical analysis and price prediction. It is 14th of November 2023. Looking forward to discovering what is around the corner with the technicals and everything that is significant. And I'm sure you're having a good time basically for the past couple of days with Polygon. Having in mind we are sitting on the 30 days mark with 78% upside, 28% for the past 7 days, and then 4.78% for the past 24 hours. Polygon is continuing to move and it's having a good time compared to other altcoins. Therefore, I would like to share with you more information on the topic and discuss. At the same time, make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel to check out our other live trading videos, bot trading videos, and so on, including our AI bot trading presentation. This is a complete trading done for you where you can participate, no prior fee to join, only commission from the profits achieved along the way with our one-on-one coaching. I'm gonna, discuss about both at the end of the video. Let's get into the discussion with our Polygon situation out there. So what has happened basically since my last video is a decent confirmation on a demand zone. This demand zone triggered in the past a significant movement. It is a level located around 75 cents, and we have been generating with so much support at that time that we successfully pushed 108% throughout 47 days, which was an amazing situation. Now the big issue, the big problem for Polygon from the price action wise, from that specific top, we have been rejected so hard that we actually dumped too much. If you're asking me, there's been a lot of the selling pressure going on right there throughout 206 days, like 68%, which is a little too much considering the structure of the market that has to recover in order to situate itself to a level of a crazy breakout. The crazy breakout is always going to appear when we are leaving the environment resistance line. Environment resistance line at the moment, it's located above $1.20. So it's quite far away from us. Again, in the way this rally has moved for the altcoins, 43%, which is the distance today, it is obviously something that is not unachievable, but at the same time it requires a very good market condition from BTC and from the Ethereum in order to form the environment for such pump. You cannot have them bearish or you cannot have them dominated by short-term retracements. So 43% is needed to get very close to a level that becomes extremely interesting and with a fight that will be completed on a large scale. So there's volume that's going to gain access at that point, and then all sorts of traders will jump on board in order to make sure that we either break out or we will crash from there. So it's a point of high decision where things can go parabolically to $2 or things can come back basically to $1 or 80 cents and so on to all the other demand levels that will be existent right below us. So this is great that has just appeared right there on a confirmation on 75 for our demand zone. Supply is right there, sitting on slightly above the dollar, and there's liquidity above the dollar. Actually, for all the cryptocurrencies out there that are having a good time on a round number, slightly above the round number, it's liquidity of stop losses for people which have been shorting. So they are aiming basically to leave the boat at the time the crypto is crossing the round number, because they believe that as soon as that appears, the market is going to be much more aggressive. It will gain volume and it will push higher. The idea behind that could be as wrong, just like how great it sounds by its explanation. Fundamentally speaking, the market orders can appear at any point. Market orders are the ones moving the price action. So market orders are most of the time the ones that are valuable. They're executed by the market makers, the whales, or the exchanges, right? So we're actually talking about three major categories that can execute a market order which moves the price action at any point. Now, they can definitely execute market orders of selling pressure, of dumping at a time the market is crossing the round number, takes the liquidity, and they execute basically the market orders from there. So you're instead of crashing from the dollar, from the round number, you're crashing from $1.05. It is definitely possible. It has happened so many times, and then the markets are just going upwards, taking the liquidity, leaving the ones that were shorting out of the range, and having on board the ones that are basically at the top of the traders category from the volume side, not from the P&L, from the volume side. We do have basically knowledge about cases where people with hundreds of millions are in major losses by the trading procedures. So, it's not that if you already have resources, you are generating a secure profit, right? So this is what's happening. This is where we are at the moment. And one thing that has happened since that is basically our 20 days that have crossed the 200 days, which is not a big deal at all. It is not meaningful for us. What would be meaningful is the 50 days to cross the 200 days, which is not appearing yet. There is still a gap between the orange line and the blue line that is marking them. So this is the situation, folks, for the Polygon Matic. It is not having a bad time. We're still trying to push right now from the golden pocket level, and we're still trying to adjust the delay that is currently between this one and many other altcoins. That's pretty much all, guys. Have a good time. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, ask me questions in the comments area. Let me know about the topic. Make sure, for those of you which are interested to become traders, check out my one-on-one coaching program, a private mentorship where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Qualify for a free conversation with me if you believe in skills and education that can improve your performance on the market. Let's do this. At the same time, if you would like to be part of my trading movement, we have our complete trading done for you through API trading permission. We are trading for you. We have our bot that is helping us as well. And there is no prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved. You can see more details on our page, complete the form to participate, and contact me. Any of that. Make sure to check out everything in the description area and the comments area for all the official links. Have a good time, and we'll talk to you soon.